is your age?
I am 64 years old.
What is your name?
I am Mrs. Esther.
How long have you been living in this area?
I have been living in this area for 24 years.
Were you born here or did you move from somewhere else?
I did not born in this place, but I came to this place.
What is your occupation? What is your current source of income?
I am the principal of Bright Stars High School, and my source of income is I manage the school. I run a school.
What is the main staple food you consume? Is this grown in this region?
Yes. My staple food is rice and jowar bread. So they are grown in this area.
Has there been any changes in the kind of food you consume, in what you eat in your childhood and your grandparents eat and now guess what you eat?
Yeah, my grandparents used to eat some other type of food like ragulu, ragi, and
Like, I want the changes. Which is
they used to eat some other millets. But now we are not eating them, but some other we are eating. Some other.
Have you seen any changes in the kind of farming methods?
Yeah, in those days they used to plow with oxen, but nowadays they are using tractors and fertilizers and also those harvesting machines, harvesters, like that.
Are there any plants or species in the area that people are currently depending on to make a living?
Yeah, we are depending on some orchards, fruit trees like sweet lemons and mango trees, mango orchards, like that, sapota.
Apart from people, have you seen other animals dependent on this plant or tree?
Pardon? Say again.
Apart from people, have you seen other animals dependent on this plant or tree?
Monkeys like that, they come for the fruits.
Have you noticed any changes to the fruiting and fruiting of this plant or tree species in the last 20 years or 40 years?
Yeah. In the past, without some fertilizers and pesticides, they used to flower and they used to give fruits. But nowadays, they need these fertilizers and pesticides like that.
Is there a plant or animal that you used to consume or use in any other way that you don't find anymore in your environment? If yes, why do you think it disappeared?
Pardon? I want to listen to the question again.
Is there a plant or animal that you used to consume or use in any other way that you don't find anymore in your environment?
We used to eat fish, prawns like that.
Why do you think it disappeared?
Disappeared means because of lack of water resources.
Then in your life, have you experienced the coldest summer and the coldest winter? Do you remember the year?
In recent years,
Which is the hottest summer and the coldest?
this summer, last year, like that, 2023 summer, it was so hot. And winter, 21, 22.
If you compare temperatures between when you were young and today, can you notice any changes?
Yeah, in those days, the temperatures were not so hot like this. So there are some climatic changes. The climate is very hot nowadays when compared to mine.
Has the monsoon changed in your area during the last 20 or 40 years?
Yeah,
If yes, how?
in some 20 years back, like that, we used to get rains, monsoons, in the month of June, July. But nowadays, we are getting those monsoons and rains in the months of September, October, like that. So, rain patterns are changed.
In your region, is your region more affected by droughts or floods today than 20 or 40 years ago?
Yeah, no. Droughts are also there, sometimes due to lack of rain, sometimes over rains. Because of over rains, also drought sometimes, or because of lack of rain, sometimes. We are experiencing like that.
Have you noticed any other changes in the weather?
Yeah, sometimes very hot winds, and also tsunamis, like that in these years.
Did you experience one of those changes affected you and your family's life?
Yeah, once when we were, uh, there were floods. So due to the floods, our water came